5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
After opening the packaging, don't forget to discharge possible static electricity. Hey, good start. At least you got all the tools ready. Before putting me together, you should know where certain important components are located. Okay, let's do it. Follow along with the user's manual. Hey, be careful with that water. A spill for you could be a disastrous flood for me. That's the ticket. Now we get to a very delicate part of the anatomy, my brain. See, this is the golden triangle. Just line it up with the side of the slot with a cutout in it. Memory is what helps me cache information and compute at lightning speed. See this? That is a foolproof gap. A cool breeze is just what I need on a warm day. All right, my friend, you got it. Now, don't forget to plug in the power cord. Next, dress up my parts with a nice outfit. An aluminum case is best. Light, airy, and it won't cut your fingers when you handle it. Now install the graphics card, and you'll have plenty to see. CD, DVD-ROMs, floppy disks, and hard drives. They're like the file cabinets where you can store and save your data. After making your settings, press the device in place. Lock it in and you're golden. Don't hold the hard drive that way, you'll damage the circuit board. Next, remember to connect all the buses and power cords. That's one. There's another. Yeah, there really are a lot of them. And that's another one. There you go. There really are a whole lot of those cords. Make sure you get them all right. Be patient, young lad. Almost there. Yeah, let's lock and load. Are we missing something here? Wait a minute, of course. All right, now we're talking. Now that's what I call a refreshing breeze.